Are you using Afterpay but want an easier way to manage your bi-weekly payments? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to pay off your Afterpay purchases directly through Cash App, step by step. It's quick, simple, and perfect if you already keep money in your Cash App balance. Stick around until the end so you don't miss an important tip that could save you from failed payments. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Next, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen, and this is where you'll see all of your recent transactions. Now, look for the Afterpay purchase you want to pay for and tap on it. This will open the full transaction details. Tap the Pay button to get started. Cash App will then ask you to enter how much you want to pay. You can choose to pay the entire amount or just make a partial payment toward your installment. Once you've entered the amount, tap Done and confirm your payment. Cash App will process the transaction and send it directly to Afterpay. Within a few seconds, you should see a confirmation in your Activity tab showing the payment was successful. Important tip. Before you hit pay, make sure you have enough balance in your Cash App. If your balance is too low, the payment won't go through, and that could lead to late fees from Afterpay. And that's it. You've just learned how to easily make your Afterpay payments using Cash App. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick money-saving tutorials. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, check out the links in the description.